Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This microwave customer has given me to repair. So actually I have so many microwave to fix. So it was problem when I check I found it was problem only high voltage fuse. High voltage fuse and other parts was okay. Then I have changed one. Then after that again it has gone. The fuse has broken again. Then again I checked. Then I found the problem. So sometime if you check only fuse broken, then after you change, then again will again will break. So after that finally I check it. Then I found it was problem this capacitor short. See, it's capacitor short, so that's why this fuse has broken. So second reason can be the diode, high voltage diode. You can check continuity also, and capacitor, diode, and third reason will be the magnetron. This magnetron check to the body. If you see continuity, so fuse will break. So now I have changed the capacitor, so now it's working fine. So let me check, put water. How is it? So the alhamdulillah, water is hot.